Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on more privacy settings and then scroll down and click on activity controls. Now from here choose your Google account in which you want to make changes to the YouTube search and watch history. Now here scroll down to the YouTube history section. Now here click on auto delete. Now from here you can turn on or turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history. So if you want to turn off auto delete history, then select don't auto delete activity and then click on next. Now click on confirm and the YouTube search and watch history will be turned off to auto delete. And if you want to turn on the YouTube search and watch history, then select the first option, auto delete activity older than. Then from here you can select 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. Now after selecting, click on next and then click on confirm. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.